Hi, I'm Beth Gibson with the Oldendorp Group. Welcome home to 11 Lenape Trail in Chatham. This beautifully updated ranch has an open floor plan, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and is nestled on a quiet street just blocks to town, New York City trains, and top-rated schools. Step inside and I'll show you around. Welcome to the flowing open floor plan featuring a large family room, and dining room, perfect for entertaining and cozy enough for daily use. The fully appointed kitchen features a breakfast bar and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, ready to bring out your inner chef. The wood-paneled office or sitting room has 3 walls of windows, bathing the room in sunlight. Come down the hallway to the master bedroom with 2 closets and ensuite bath. 2 other bedrooms are well served by an updated hall bath. Off the dining room is a brick patio and over a 1/4 acre of beautifully landscaped property, sure to bring out your green thumb. A 2-car garage completes this lovely home. If you're looking for one-floor living, come fall in love with this beautiful home and wonderful neighborhood. For more information about this house, please reach out to the Oldendorp Group.